Kibaki left peacefully and quietly and stayed out of politics. Azimio is a clear attempt at Uhuru Kenyatta extending his rule. He's the chairman of a political outfit called Azimio. He is extending his rule kinyume cha sheria ya Kenya. Uhuru Kenyatta, as is evident with everything you're doing, you want to stay. And we want to tell you, your time is up. Go home. Asante sana. I have come to start a conversation. And it's a conversation that is about the consciousness of Kenya. The mountain region has been the bedrock of liberation struggles in this country. The bedrock of independence, the bedrock of the second liberation. And this time, they have decided to play second fiddle, and I'm telling them they cannot, because we have a bigger liberation, and that is the liberation of the majority of Kenyans from the yoke of a terrible dictatorship that was started by the colonial era. A system of governance that has disproportionately disenfranchised 99% of Kenyans. This is the greatest liberation ever since the struggle for Uhuru in this nation. And we cannot take a back seat. Nobody is going to give us anything. We are people in the mountain region that have always taken. This is our time to take again. We are the ones that put in this regime. We are the ones to remove it, not anybody else. We are the ones to change the game. We are the ones who gave Kenyans this problem, and we are the ones to solve it.